There's more ways than just getting YouTube's AdSense money rolling in than what you may think. Hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. As you may have seen in some of your YouTube feeds, they are changing the game again. YouTube is. They are moving the cheese, if you will. YouTube announced, I guess, yesterday, or people have caught up with it on different other videos or podcasts or blogs possibly, that YouTube is changing the monetization requirements to where you're going to need 8,000 watch time hours in a year, in a 12-month cycle. But they are keeping the subscriber count the same, 1,000 subscribers to help you get monetized. And if you are on the lower monetization tier of 500 and however many watch time hours that is, that's where you can get paid for. They send you, little things of money, $5, $10, things like that. I apologize, I can't think of what the name of that is right now. But what I wanted to point out and focus on for this video is the idea that you don't need YouTube's monetization. You don't need their AdSense money, okay? You can make money basically really creatively from day one on YouTube when you know how to do it correctly, or when you know some of the other ways, then you could focus on to make money off of YouTube videos, all right? So number one thing that always comes up and is talked about is going to be affiliate marketing from YouTube. In other words, you come in, you talk about a service or a product or a tool, and then you link that tool down in your description area, maybe even on your comment area, and people will be curious to go look at that and possibly buy, and you can start making some money that way. So there's tons and tons of money that goes out on the affiliate marketing side of what you can do with YouTube. Now, I know you have to have, when you're doing the affiliate marketing side, which is mostly the people that I'm talking to, it's real easy to get into a routine of trying to sell that membership, sell that service, sell that product, sell that tool, instead of coming up with some good content and letting that wrap around what it is that you're selling. And there's certain ways, strategically speaking, that you want to move people towards that information. For myself, I have had the 4-step video blueprint out there for a while. So if you're looking for, some simple, basic, how to get started on YouTube and what kind of videos should you make type of information, then yeah, you can look for my link down in the description area, and we'll have that information for you. So that's one way, affiliate marketing, okay? Another way is super chats. That's what I was thinking of. You can have 500 hours, or 500 subscribers and so many watch time hours, you can get like the super chats. Okay, so sorry, went down the squirrel. Okay, let's do that. But a couple of your other ways of making money on YouTube could possibly be selling your own course. If you are any kind of a course creator or have thought about being a course creator, then you would want to look at that as being the primary focus of your money coming from your YouTube videos. And again, you want to find the content that wraps around that, and then lead them to the link, to the description area, to the link, to the comment area, to the link, so that they would be in your sales funnel, and if they purchase your course. Okay, so that's another way. And I'm going to be right up front and honest. Transparent, I guess. YouTube AdSense money is not all that great when you first get started. There are people that are, like, oh, wow, I got a $5 check from YouTube. I finally got monetized. And then there are others that have videos that go blue and blow out above and beyond, and they make, $1,000 or $1,500 or whatever. All right. And then they start consistently seeing money coming in every month. And to keep that rolling in on their AdSense money, they have to stay consistent, and they have to continue to put a video out every now and then that goes at least a little bit viral, okay? If they can consistently keep whatever number of views that they need on a daily basis, then they're going to be fine. But that doesn't happen to everybody, okay? The majority of people that get monetized are not making, they're making pennies. They're making, well, we don't have pennies anymore. They're making nickels and dimes, okay? They're not making the bigger dollar money. So you've got to supplement that with the affiliate marketing, with your own product, if you have a product or a course to sell. And you might be, again, go back to affiliate marketing, you might be selling courses from somebody else where you're getting paid a percentage of that. So one of the companies that I work with, 2K Profit System, if I wanted to sell their product, their core product is up to $2,000, okay? So it goes anywhere from $25 up to $2,000, and you get paid that immediately when you sell it, okay? You're going to use Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, whatever, or a combination of those so that any potential customer you have can pay you immediately. There's still an admin fee that goes with that has to go into the company, but you can take care of that, and I'll talk about that in another video. So 2K Profit System, if you want to look at that information as far as how to make higher ticket sales and put yourself in a real good position, then check out that description, that link in the description area down below, okay? So what's another way? Another one is sponsorships. Sometimes once you get enough views going on a regular basis, and people can see that your channel is starting to do this and go, get some growth, some consistent growth, then people might start reaching out to you, wanting you to promote their product, and that can be your sponsored ad for the day. Okay, my sponsored ad is 2K Profit System, link down below in the description area if you want to look at medium to high ticket, make money online sales. If you want to learn YouTube, I also have my YouTube 4-step video blueprint available as well. So yeah, sponsorships, companies can reach out to you. You just got to be very careful. Get some coaching, get some mentorship, get some help understanding what these people are sending to you. They want you to promote their product. What are you going to get? Is it worth it? Do you really like the product? You don't want to promote it if you don't like what they're selling. Okay, so or if it doesn't fit your niche at all. Some people are some of those companies or businesses out there are just trying to find anything and everything to get their link out in front of people, so they want to use you. So just be careful of that. It's a great way to go. There are very good sponsors out there, but you don't want to get mixed up in one that's going to cause problems. So those are probably the top 3 ways, 4 ways if you count the 500 subscriber super chats, and paid memberships is also in there. So I could be charging, if you wanted to join my exclusive 4-step video blueprint, I could be charging $4 to $5 for membership, and which I very well may be doing that here coming soon. So keep an eye out for that. If you like this kind of content and information, then subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do see when I put out a new video. And hopefully I'll get that rolling here within the next week. So yeah, that's where we're at. Don't panic. Don't say, oh, YouTube sucks. Don't let this knock you off track of growing a good, healthy YouTube channel. You'll get there, okay? I'm not there yet. We're going to keep rolling though, because there's all these other ways to make money from YouTube until I would hit the monetization. That would become just icing on the cake, right? All right, so let's get busy. Let's get looking at these alternative ways and how we can present them on video. And again, for help with that, check out my 4-step video blueprint. It is no charge right now, but that may be changing here very soon. So jump on that quickly, and we will go from there. Until we see you again on the next video, bye for now.